Hi everyone. We're going to wait for a few minutes before everyone in. Okay, so get ready yourself. Take a deep breath. Yep. Okay, we start in 10:02. Okay. Hi, good morning everyone. How are you today? Is it good? Yep. Let's get some interaction. Hello. Okay. Now it's 10:02, so I start now. Okay. So hi everyone. How are you today? Is it good? So today we will we will be doing some revision on chapter 1, which we have been learned for our previous class. Okay, so yep, I give you 2 minutes for preparation. Okay, go and get your pens, okay, your papers, okay, and get your textbook ready. Okay, ready yourself. Take a deep breath. Okay, before we start. Okay. Then later on, we will be doing a list of exercise involve objective question structure. Okay, so get your brain ready. Okay. Okay, so should we start? Shall we start now? Mhm. So challenge accepted. Okay, so let's get started. So here we start with our objective questions. So every time I will read the question first and also the answer. So you try to answer and also leave a comment there and tell me which is your answer. So if I found that if uh, there's a mistake or something, then we will do some revision on why uh, that is the correct answer. Okay. So if you think that I'm speaking too fast, just let me know. Okay. Mm, okay. Here I give you some tips. Okay. Before we start. So as you can see here, this is the question one, right? So later on we'll be reading. Okay. Then we'll be doing like uh the pangka things. Okay. So we will look at A. If it is wrong, then we will try to pangka it. Okay. Means we will find the correct answer through the answer because for Q&A question, right? I mean, for this objective question, right? Uh, it's basically quite difficult compared to a structure or essay question because you might get fooled by the questions. Okay, maybe there's one word that you miss it, then you get wrong. Okay, so we'll see later. Okay, so we start. Okay. Yeah. So every time you leave a comment, okay, you leave a comment and tell me which is your answer. Remember to put one, okay, tell me which is the questions, then tell me the answer. Okay. So question, which of the following, which of the following is Hi, I think there's some technical problem. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, I repeat the question, yeah? So question one, which of the following is true about human circulatory system? Okay, all the veins carry deoxygenated blood. Is it correct? Remember, we have pulmonary veins that carry oxygenated blood. Okay, B, the blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart called artery except pulmonary artery. Is it? C, the coronary artery supply blood to brain. Okay, then D, pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood to the heart. So, which is the correct answer? Okay, here we go. The answer is D. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood to heart. Okay, okay, please remember the coronary arteries. Okay, it's just like other arteries that carry blood away from the heart, but it's not carried to the brain, but to your cardiac muscle. Okay, so who is the one that supply blood to brain? The carotid artery. Remember, if we try to take our pulse here, then we will feel our carotid artery. Okay, so next, the characteristic of blood transport by a blood vessel in human body are shown below. So, first one, high concentrate high concentration of oxygen, low concentration of carbon dioxide, low blood pressure. So be careful, yeah. Here, even is high concentration of oxygen, but it's low blood pressure. So A, aorta, B, vena cava, C, pulmonary vein, and D, pulmonary artery. So tell me the answer. Okay. So the answer here is the pulmonary veins. Why? Because it's the only veins that carry the oxygen from. Okay. The pulmonary artery is the only arteries that carry deoxygenated blood. The vena cava collect the deoxygenated blood from other body parts. So basically, it's a low concentration of oxygen here. So how about aorta? For aorta, we have high concentration of oxygen, of course, because aorta is the blood vessel, okay, that carry your oxygenated blood to all part of your body. Yeah. Okay. So question three: which description is matched correctly to the blood cell? So A, neutrocyte, it has loop nucleus. B, platelets, it has hemoglobin. C, neutrophil, it has a clear cytoplasm. And D, monocyte, it has large spherical nucleus. Okay, so let's try this. For neutrocyte, it's a red cell, right? So do you think there's a nucleus there? Of course not. Okay, so this is the wrong answer. Of course. So B, platelets. It has hemoglobin. So tell me who is the one that has hemoglobin? Of course, your red blood cell, right? The neutrocyte. So how about neutrophil and monocyte? Remember our never eat banana like monkey? Yeah. So neutrophil is never, okay? It's belong to granulocyte. So basically granulocyte will have a granular cytoplasm, okay? So the answer would be, yep, D, monocyte, okay? Monocyte is belong to never eat banana like monkey. It's belong to monkey. So it's a granulocyte, okay? So you get it? Easy, right? So question 4. So which of the following statement is true? Okay, remember our TSA per volume? So TSA per volume is total surface area per volume. Okay. total surface area per volume. So, which of the following statement is true? So, let's see. A. Large multicellular organism has a large total surface area per volume ratio. B. Large multicellular organism has a small total surface area per volume ratio. C. Small multicellular organism has a small total surface area per volume ratio. And D. Small multicellular organism has no total surface area per volume ratio. So, okay, what is the answer? Okay, you can comment. Let me know what you think too. Okay, so large organisms basically have a very large total surface area, right? Is it? No. Yes, no. Large multicellular organism has a small total surface area, but the volume itself is super big. Okay, when we compare a rat and also an elephant. So, which should be the correct answer? Hmm. So, the answer will be, yep, you're right. It's B. Large multicellular organism has a small total surface area to volume ratio. Okay, this is because the large multicellular organism will have a smaller total surface area but a large volume. Okay, so if you use calculator 1 per 4, you will get a very small number, right? Yep, same thing here. So a small multicellular organism usually they will have a, they confirm, okay, to have a large total surface area per volume ratio. Okay, so next, question 5. Which of the following are granulocytes? Never eat banana. That's a key. Okay. 1. Monocyte. 2. Neutrophil. 3. Basophil. And 4. Lymphocyte. Which will be the correct answer? Okay. Which should be the correct answer? Is it monocyte? Is it neutrophil? Is it basophil? Hmm? Is it lymphocyte? So I'm waiting for your answer. So come. So someone say is C. So is it the answer is C? Let's see. Yup, you're right. You're so clever. So 2 and 3. Never eat banana. So neutrophil is belong to never and basophil is banana. Okay, good job. So next, question 6. Name the X and Y. So as you can see in this diagram, the hemoglobin add-on with oxygen happen in X, okay? Then the oxyhemoglobin go back, split up into hemoglobin and oxygen when it's come through Y. So, which means the X probably is the one that combine both, okay? Means the place that you get oxygen from, and the Y probably is a place that use up the oxygen because it split up hemoglobin and oxygen. So, okay, which one will be your answer? So A, X is lungs, Y is body cell. B, X is body cell, Y is lung. C, X is heart, Y is gears. Okay, D, X is body tissue, Y is heart. So, which will be the correct answer? Here. Mm-hmm. So for this one, oh yeah, when you comment your answer, right, don't forget to add which question is which because I'm a bit blur when I look through so many B, C, D. So you tell me it's question 6 and you leave a comment there which is the answer. Then I will know you are referred to which questions. Okay, so what is the answer for this? Okay, so S is probably your lungs because the place where you get oxygen, then your lungs will combine both hemoglobin and to form the hemoglobin. Then when your body cell need to use the oxygen, they will go and spit out. Okay, so question 7. Which of the following statement best explain the pulmonary circulation? So remember the diagram of the heart, right? So there's a tricks for you, the hack for you to answer this kind of question. It's confusing, right? Why you get to all you don't know which one to start. So the easiest things is to go through all the answer here. So you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means left atrium, go to lungs, go to right ventricle, go to pulmonary vein, and go to pulmonary artery. Is it correct? Is it? No, I think probably not. So let's see. B. So we say from lungs, let's go to pulmonary vein. Probably. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, right? So then followed by 1 left atrium. Is it go back to left atrium? Is it? Hmm. So you get your answer. Then it says is go to left atrium, then go to pulmonary artery, then go to right ventricle. Weird, right? So let's see. 3. Okay, it says it's go from start from the right ventricle. Okay, right ventricle, then go to pulmonary artery. Go to left atrium. Is it correct? No, probably. Okay, so let's see. It says D say is go from right ventricles, then go to pulmonary artery, then go to lungs, then go to pulmonary veins, then go to left atrium. Is it correct? Yep, the answer is D. Okay, so as you can see from this side, it is from our right ventricles, okay, then go to pulmonary artery, okay, then goes to lungs, then come back from pulmonary veins, then go to left atrium, okay, you get the answer, right? Okay, good job. So next, question 8. Which of the following statement best explain the circulation? Okay, again, we start, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, here you got 6 sequence. So let's see. Okay, we'll try here. We start from the air. So it says start right atrium, then go to aorta. Is it possible? No, right? So B. Let's aorta. Go to body tissue. Okay, probably yes. Then go to right atrium. Then go to what? Go back vena cava? Of course not, right? Okay, fine. B, of course, is a wrong answer. Let's see. So, C say it's come from atrium. Okay, left atrium. Then go to left ventricle. Then go to vena cava. Mhm. Then go to body tissue. Then go to right atrium. Then go to aorta. Weird. I think it's kind of weird, right? Okay, so let's try. So you tell me which is the correct for you. So how about D? D says it's come from left atrium, then go to what? Go to right atrium. Is it correct? Left atrium, go to right atrium. Kind of weird, right? Left atrium, then right atrium. Then we go, okay, someone answer A. Let's see the answer, yeah? So the answer is D again. So let's see. So it say, it's go to left atrium, okay? Then let's see the picture. So we go from left atrium here. Then you say it come to left ventricle for sure is correct, okay? Then later on, it say goes to aorta. Okay, of course, it's go out from to the aorta, right? Then what's going on? So next is 4. From the aorta is transport your oxygenated blood to all your body, right? Then later on, what else? Then 1 and 5. Then they will come back from the body back to your vena cava. Okay, then go back to your right atrium. So the correct answer is D. Okay, never mind. So it's a very confusing if you don't have a diagram with a heart. So probably when you come with this kind of question, right, you can draw your heart at the okay, so that and only you will know. Are you back? So shall we continue to question 9? So as you can see here, okay, question 9. All of the following are true about blood vessel, okay? Except, so A, artery has thick muscular wall. B, capillaries has no wall. C, all arteries has no wall except pulmonary artery. And D, all veins have no wall except pulmonary veins. Okay, so try this first. Okay, I go and get something. Give me a second, eh? So, is the correct? Okay, I'm looking through your. So, for this one, okay, the correct answer will be D. Okay, so as you can see for this one, okay, artery has a thick muscular wall. Of course, it's correct, right? But it says in the question here is accept. Okay, accept. You need wrong one. Okay, so next, capillaries have no valve. Yep. The only the only blood vessel that have no valve is the veins. Right? So C, all arteries has no valve as artery. You see, usually we don't have valve, right? So yep. So all the artery has no valve except pulmonary artery. Okay. Here, all veins have no valve except the pulmonary vein. What is wrong, right? Because all the valve. Wait, this question is confusing. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, so next, all of the following are true about blood vessel except so A says all arteries carry oxygenated blood. B, pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood. C, pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. And D, venous end of the capillaries carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, so which is the correct answer? So all artery carry oxygenated blood, is it? How about the pulmonary artery? Okay, pulmonary artery is the one carrying deoxygenated blood, right? So B, pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood. Then D, venous end of the capillary carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, so think about it. So which is the wrong? You see here, right? Accept, which means no, not a correct one. So the answer will be A, because we have a pulmonary artery that carry deoxygenated blood. Okay, so let's go to question 11. So, which of the following is true? Yeah, which of the following true? So, A, the arteries carry blood towards the heart. Is it? Arteries carry blood away from the heart, right? So B, veins carry away from the heart. Is it? Veins should be the one carry blood towards the heart. Yep. So coronary artery carry blood to the heart. Hmm. Then D, carotid artery carry blood to the heart. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a second for the answer from you guys, which will be the correct answer. Okay. Let me check. Let me check my YouTube. Okay, you guys can try. So which of the following will be correct? Okay. So the answer will be C, because carotid artery is the one that we can detect here, right? So the carotid artery is the one we can get blood to our neck area, our heart, our head area, our brain area. Okay. Remember, coronary artery is the one that carry blood to our cardiac muscle, but the carotid artery is the one carry to our brain. Okay. So question 12. Remember our first class? Look, 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 look. Okay. So What is the sound loop and what is the sound in our hearts? Okay, so you remember the place where the tricuspid and bicuspid valve located? Mm-hmm. You remember where is your semilunar valve located? Uh, so A, we say loop is the closing of semilunar valve. For B, for A, for the loop side, is a closing of bicuspid valve. Is it correct? Okay, let me give you a clue. Basically, the bicuspid valve in the tricuspid valve should be the one that close together. So, as you can see here, most probably B is not correct. So, which will come first? Loop is for tricuspid, bicuspid, or loop is a tricuspid, bicuspid. So, let me give you a hint how to answer this question. So, as you can see here, so if you think that maybe you forget what we have learned about this, the valve friction code first, but never mind. As you can see here, okay, if the answer A is correct, then probably your B will be correct also, right? So, yep, the answer is C. Okay, so your loop is basically your closing of your tricuspid and bicuspid valve, while your loop is the closing of your semilunar valve. Okay, so let's go to question 13. So which of the following is true about the myogenic in heart muscle? Okay, so you say first one, cardiac muscle is controlled by brain. Two, cardiac muscle contract with nervous stimulation. Three, cardiac muscle contract without nervous stimulation. Four, cardiac muscle contract spontaneously. So for here, nervous stimulation basically means controlled by brain. So is cardiac muscle controlled by brain? Is it? Hmm, that's not right. So, so it because our heart muscle, the cardiac muscle is a myogenic, which not controlled by brain. So first one is wrong. Okay. So how about next? So we see how about the second one? Cardiac muscle contract with nervous stimulation. Hmm. Cardiac muscle contract without nervous stimulation. So basically, you have to decide whether you need to pick two or three. Okay. So which one will be the answer? Okay, let me tell you the answer will be C, 3 and 4. Okay, because it's not controlled by brain, of course, the brain will not send the nerve impulse there. Okay, so the cardiac muscle contract without nervous stimulation and it will contract spontaneously. Okay, so next question 14. So we say the blood will enter heart through X and flow out from the heart through Y. So what is X and what is Y? Uh, so it's a tricky question here. So don't get through, okay? So S for A say is a left and right atrium. Then Y is left and right ventricle. So for B it say S is left and right ventricle and Y is left and right atria. So for C, XA is a left atrium and right ventricle and Y is right ventricle and right atrium and left ventricle. So for D, S is right atrium and right ventricle. Therefore, Y is left atrium and left ventricle. So this one, basically, if your concept is right, then you will get the answer. So let's see, what is the answer? Okay, I left you 30-second things, okay? So you tell me what would be the correct answer. Okay, so we have I think we have 30 objective questions and also 4 structured questions. Okay, so for this one, so it's better to be hurry up, right? So question 14. So the answer will be yep, A. So when your blood enter your heart, okay, from other part of the body will enter through your right atria, and the one from the lungs will go into the left atria. Okay, then they will all flow out through the ventricles. So no matter it's left or right, okay, the blood must be enter the atria and left through the ventricle. So okay, you got it right. Good job. So question 15. So which of the following is mechanism that control your blood circulation? Oh, it's what? Is it pumping of heart? Is it contraction of skeletal muscle around the veins? Is it the valves that ensure blood flow in one direction? So is it the brain that control your blood circulation? Okay, which one? Hmm. So which will be the correct answer? Like come try it out. So probably will be brain is wrong, right? Okay. The answer will be B. Yep. The control of your blood circulation is through your pumping of your heart, contraction of the skeletal muscle around the veins, and the valves that at the veins that control your blood flow in one direction. So, question 16. Which of the following is the correct sequence in regulation of blood pressure? So, remember the chart, okay, that go through. So, it says if one, brain send off signals to effector. Okay, two, baroreceptor detect the increase in blood pressure. Three, cardiac muscle in heart respond by reduced heart rate. And four, it generates more impulse to medulla oblongata in brains. Okay, this one is a simple one, so we don't need to go through for the ABCD, okay? So first and foremost, of course, is your when your blood pressure increase and your baroreceptor will detect the increase of your blood pressure, right? Then, okay, then it will generate impulse to your brains, medulla oblongata in brains. Then your brain will be send off signals to your effectors, and the effectors will react. For example, the cardiac muscle in heart respond by reduce your heartbeat. So the answer will be, yup, the answer is A. Okay, from 2, 4, 1, 3. Okay, so next we'll be going to question 17. The following are body respond to increasing in blood pressure except A. Reduce of heartbeat rate. Okay, if your blood pressure is increased, yeah. So reduce heartbeat rates. Okay, B. Muscle of arteries will relax. So bigger lumen, we have lower pressure, right? So C. Vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction is means the lumen becomes smaller, and vasodilations is the lumen become bigger. So this question is basically to test you whether you understand the meaning of vasoconstrictions and also vasodilation. So for questions 17, okay, question 17, what will be your answer? Except, remember the words. These are keywords. Except. Mhm. So the answer is C. Vasoconstrictions. Because if the lumen will become smaller if only if your blood pressure decrease. Okay, so that it will increase your blood pressure. Okay, so next question 18. Name the organ X and organ Y if the circulatory system in diagram is a single circulatory system. So who will be the one with single circulatory system? The fish, right? So for organ X, okay, is from the heart to organ X and directly to Y, then go back to your heart. Okay, so a fish probably wouldn't have a lung, so we pangka the B and pangka the D. So we left only A and C. So which come first? Gill come first or body tissue come first? Okay, so from the heart it pumps to some things. Of course, this is the things that you need to get your oxygen before you go to Y, right? So the answer will be, yup, the answer is A. Okay, the heart, from the heart then pump to the gills. Okay, the gills get all your oxygen and release all your carbon dioxide, then go to Y and send off to your body tissue, then come back to heart. Okay, this is called the single circulatory system. So question 19. All of the followings have double closed and complete circulatory system except, okay, double closed and complete circulatory system means, which means is is a complete word, right? Okay, basically means mammals. So you have to pick up all the mammals. Okay, the mammals will be only here, the human and the goats. Yep. So the answer will be, oh, you said except. Oh, see me. See, I go into the trap. So you said except. Of course, it's fish and grasshopper because fish is the one with single circulatory system. Okay, and the grasshopper is belongs to open circulatory system. Okay, so be careful of the question. Okay, just like me. Okay, so question 20. Which of the following statement best explain the circulatory system of an insect? Okay, be careful. It say is a insect. Insect is belong to open circulatory system. So is an insect don't have a heart? Hmm. B is this a single circulatory system? C is it the blood cover the body cell? So D is it the oxygenated blood mixed with deoxygenated blood? Okay, so let's go to one by one. Okay, does not have a heart. No, basically insect has a lot of heart. Mhm. So is it a single circulatory system? No, single circulatory system is for fish. So is the body cover, is the blood cover body cell? Okay, probably it's not blood, but means hemolymph lah, okay? So yep, okay, basically the hemolymph is cover of the body cells. And the oxygenated mixed with deoxygenated blood. Then you have to decide between C and D. Okay, which one is the best explained? Basically, the answer will be, so this is a very tricky one because basically it's wrong for question C, right? The C statement because it's hemolymph, not blood. Okay, so if I were you, I would think D would be the correct answer. But why they say C? Okay, probably these questions have a bit question, right? So the correct answer will be D. Okay, the correct answer is D. Okay, so next question 21. Name the Y and also name the Z. Okay, this is from your blood clotting mechanism. So let's see. Prothrombin to thrombin. So which is the things that used to stimulate your prothrombin conversion to thrombin? Okay, let's see here. Okay, there's called fibrinogen. Of course not, because it's the next step, right? So vitamin B and fibrine. No, fibrine is for the next step. So thrombokinase. So most probably C and D might be one of them is correct answer. So thrombokinase must be the correct one, but You have to decide whether it's a calcium ion or a potassium ion. Which is which? Hmm. So which is which? So the answer will be C. Okay. You need a calcium ion and thrombokinase in order to trigger the prothrombin conversion into thrombin. Then the thrombin will further convert your fibrinogen into fibrin in your next step. Okay. So next, question 22. Which of the following is blood clotting related problems? Remember? So here it say there's a hemophilia, and they have AIDS, they have cardiomyopathy, and thrombosis. Okay, although they are all disease, right? But you have to be careful. Okay, you have to be careful. So hemophilia is a disease that lack of blood clotting factors. Okay, AIDS is the one that we have a virus attacking. Okay, remember the virus HIV? Then three, cardiomyopathy means your heart, okay, heart muscle having a problem, okay. Then thrombosis is the one that has too many, okay, too many blood clotting factor come out. So the answer will be you know, 1 and 4. Yep, it's 1 and 4. Okay, hemophilia and thrombosis, they are opposite each other. Okay, hemophilia is the one that lack of blood clotting and cause excessive blood loss, right? Then the thrombosis is the one that caused by a lot of blood clotting factors come out, then causing a plaque, okay, a clot in your blood vessel. Okay, question 23. Which of the following is the natural body defense against pathogens? Okay, one, the gastric juice in the stomach. Two, the antibodies produced by white blood cells. Three, the actions of phagocytes. And four, the action of erythrocyte. Natural body defense mechanism. Okay? Natural body defense mechanism. So I think the four must be the wrong one, right? So basically your red blood cell will help you to defend any pathogens. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So which one will be the correct answer? If we bunk out 4, right, we left only 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So I have to decide whether gastric juice is involved in your answer or not. Okay, if you remember what we learned in our second class, right? So gastric juice is basically our first line defense. So the answer is C. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So next, we go on to question 24. It asks that which of the following are the differences between injection of vaccine and also injections of serum containing antibodies? So, as you can see here, first one, injections of vaccine give long-term immunity. Second one, injection of vaccine give immediate immunity. Three, injection of serum gives immediate immunity. And four, injections of serum gives immunity a few days after injections. Okay, few days after injection must be the wrong one. Okay, so injection of vaccine basically give you a old and death pathogens. Okay, that your body will itself build up the immunity, right? The serum is the one that if you got an infection or you have a higher chances to get infections, then the doctor will inject a serum to you. The serum will involve all the antibodies. Okay. Yep. So basically, of course, the serum will be the one that gives you immediate immunity, while the vaccine will give you a long-term immunity. Okay, so after that, if you did not inject a serum anymore, then the immunity for that will drop. Okay, so basically the answer will be B, 1 and 3. Okay, so next question 25. Which of the following best represent injection X and Y. So what is X and what is Y? So as you can see here, the picture gives you a clue, right? Vaccination. So basically this one is the injection of vaccine and the Y is injection of serum. So you have to know which one is active and which one is passive. Okay. So here it say injection of serum, injection of vaccine. Of course, it's wrong. Okay. So we have to decide later whether it's a passive or active. Okay, never mind, we left it. Okay. So D is say it's a giving a short-term protection. No, but yes for Y, it gave a short-term protections and your injection of serum. Okay. So A and D is wrong already. So you have to decide whether which one is active, which one is passive. Okay. So as you can see for this one is injection of vaccine, right? So vaccine is the one that inject you the dead and warn pathogens. So then your body will build up immunity itself. So it means it is an active immunity. So the answer will be C. Okay, next. Question 26. Which of the following are ways to prevent from getting an AIDS? Okay, 1. Avoid drugs abuse and sharing of needles. 2. Avoid sharing personal objects that are sharp and can cause blood contamination with HIV. Okay. 3. Practice a healthy lifestyle with high moral value. And 4. Avoid multiple sexual partners and avoid homosexual activities. So, homosexual activities. So, which one will be the correct answer? Okay, of course, this is the answer will be D, all of the above. Yeah, so be careful, avoid from the above two activities. Avoid from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. Okay, no drugs, no sharing needles, no sharing personal objects, especially for guys that having the things, right? Okay, so avoid from multiple sexual partner, okay, or homosexual activity, and practice a healthy lifestyle by eating more fruits and vegetables and do exercise. So, okay, good job. So 27, the rate of transpiration of plant A is 0.05 centimeter per second and plant B is 0.1 centimeter per second. So which of the following factors could be the one that cause a plant B to have high rates of transpiration than plant A? Okay, you say plant B have high rates of transpiration. So as you can see here, A is high humidity, B, high light intensity. C, still air. Still air means the air got no movement, okay? So D, low temperature. How? If high humidity must be low rate of transpiration, right? So high light intensity is the one that cause you high rate of transpiration. So for still air, nothing happen, right? So low temperature means low rates of transpiration. So the answer will be B. Okay, so you bunk out all the answer, then you will easily get what you want. So question 28. The time taken for a air bubble to move from X to Y is 10 minutes. So what will be the rate of transpiration for this plant? So at the beginning, here, X is 2 cm, then it slowly go towards Y, which have 4 centimeter. So if you get this kind of answer, here I tell you how to calculate. For the calculations, first thing first, you have to change because the units here is second, right? So you have to change your minutes into seconds. So 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So how about 10 minutes? Okay, you will get 600 seconds, right? So then you minus your y, which is 4 cm, okay, to 2 cm. Then you will get 2 cm. Then later on, you divide your length, okay? Divide your length, divide with your time, okay? So you will get 0.033333 centimeter per second. So the answer will be B. Okay, let's go to question 29. So which of the following will increase the rate of transpiration in plants? Okay, which one? Increase, we say increase. So high temperature, of course, yes. High humidity, no. High light intensity, yes. Okay. High air movement, yes. So the answer will be, yep, the answer is C. Okay. This is the factor that increase your transpiration plant. Okay, last question. Which of the following is true about your bug ring experiment? Remember our bug ring experiment? We cut off our phloem, right? So, which is represent? So, let's see. A, it shows water transport from leaf to the root. So, B, it shows organic material transport from the root to the leaves. C, it shows water transport from the root to leaves. And D, it shows organic matter transport from leaves to root. So you know that it's a remove of your phloem. So phloem is the one that transport your organic material. So organic material is came from photosynthesis, right? So which one will be the correct answer? From the root to the leaf or from the leaf to the root? You're clever enough. Of course, you know the answer will be D. It shows organic material transport from the leaf. And where is the photosynthesis start? To the leaf. Okay? So good job. We have finished our objective questions. And here we go, structure questions. So it says here, okay, maybe we can finish for one structure question. Okay, never mind. Okay, after we finish question one, then we leave the others for our next class. Okay, so question one here asking, saying diagram shows some blood cells when observed under microscope. So name the blood cell. Can you form? Okay, of course you have to answer A, B, C, and D. So what is A? As you can see, A here, there's one A, here is one A. And they got the granular cytoplasm. Okay, so B is the one with the red color circles. Okay, then it says, yep. Then C is the one with small things here. Okay, then D is the one that it got a very clear cytoplasm. So what will be the answer? So I know you write on the paper, right? So ta-da, there here is the answer. So A is the granulocyte with all the granular cytoplasm. Okay. B is the one red blood cell, neutrocyte. Be careful of the spelling, okay? And C is the platelets. And D is the clear cytoplasm is our A granulocyte. Okay. So question two. What are the functions for A and C? So what is A? A is the granulocyte. Okay. C is the platelet. So you know that A is the one that help in your body defense mechanism, and C is the one that help in blood clotting. So you change things into a sentence. So A will be the one that protect you from disease, or you can say it's carry out phagocytosis to engulf and digest the invading bacteria. Okay, and C is the platelets, right? Platelets is the one that help you in blood clotting. So next question, let's see. Okay, B1 asking, name the chemical compound in cell B is carrying the oxygen. Okay, cell B is the neutrophil, right? So what is inside your red blood cell, the neutrophil that helps to carry the oxygen? Okay, I give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, the answer is your hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin. So next question basically is a continue from the previous question. So it says which mineral is needed in the diet to synthesize the hemoglobin. If you remember, we said before, right? Hemoglobin, there's ions. What kind of ions is kind of ions? I mean, the ions is IONS. Okay. So it's ion. Okay. So basically, you have to eat more spinach in order to get iron from the diet. Okay, in order to help build up your erythrocyte. Okay. So state three difference between arteries and veins. Oh, this one is like long time story already, right? So you have to really know far away, long time ago. So here I give you the answer. Okay. So artery have thicker muscular wall while the veins have thinner wall. Okay. Then next, artery have smaller lumen while the veins have larger lumen. You can also say artery have higher pressure, veins have lower pressure. Okay. So next, say here artery carry blood away from your heart and the veins carry blood towards your heart. Okay. Either one, you can state either three. Okay. There's much more in our table, remember? So next, okay. So I think the times is up. Okay, so we will left this question 2, 3, and 4 after our Raya holiday. Is it okay? So I will just scroll here. Okay, here I have give you some homework. Okay, for you to bring back home. So the exact question will be this one. Okay, here the question is the vascular system is the transport system in plants to transport water from the soil into the roots and up to the stem to the top of the plant. So, describe the process involved in the movement of water from the soil to the leaf. So for this essay questions is about 20 marks. So you probably have to give me 20 points. Okay, here I give you a clue. Okay, you can involve your capillary action, your transpiration pool, and also your root pressure. Okay, to involve in this essay. Okay, the answer will be provided in next class. So for the previous essay question, right, we will left the answer below the video. So you better check it out for the answer. Okay, so you can refer back. Okay, remember, yeah. So in our next class, we will be continue what we left today. Okay, for question 2, question 3, question 4, the structure questions, and we will also go on to our new chapter, the locomotion and support. Okay, we'll be learning about how, okay, to understand the support and locomotion in also in humans and also animals. I think for this part we have to memorize all the bones name, right? So I will try to find a better way for you to remember um all the bones name. Okay? Okay? So stay tuned, yeah? So I'm Miss Lau. So this is my Gmail. Okay, if you are shy to comment below, never mind. You can give me an email. Okay, send me an email. Okay, I will reply you very soon. Okay. So if you got any question when you flip through your textbook, okay, if you have any questions, you can snap a picture of the questions and send it to me. Okay, then I will later on check for it and I explain to you what happened. Okay. So, boys and girls, Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri and happy holiday. Okay? So, bye bye. I will see you in our next class. Okay? Stay tuned, yeah? Remember the bones. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. See you next class.